time, the most precious of all our resources. They say a stitch in time can save 9. That's why Flexjet is the only company in the global private jet travel industry with a fully integrated maintenance and product support structure, made uniquely possible with a dozen dedicated maintenance facilities across North America and Europe, strategically located mobile dispatch units, and over 1,000 aircraft maintenance and refurbishment techs and team members. Regardless of location, your Flexjet aircraft is always near the responsive arms of the largest aircraft maintenance network in private aviation, each with a mission of saving minutes and moments for you. A self-contained ecosystem of excellence where the outcome is always more than mere obligation. While other providers are primarily reliant on outside maintenance providers who take their aircraft out of service during peak travel periods when they are needed the most, we see opportunities where others see obstacles and have full control of our fleet to ensure its optimal availability for you when you need it. It also allows us to enhance your cabin experience and bring innovation to you faster. Case in point, we are the first and only private jet travel provider outfitting our fleet with truly high-speed Starlink internet connectivity, administering the highest levels of care to keep you moving forward, ensuring your Flexjet aircraft is always on the ready and in top form when needed. One mission, one motivation, time after time.